that shit. That one time. I know I'm playing, so I need what you asking. I mean, what you saying, like, just come through, like, you asking for love. That you really direct, slow like molasses. Yeah. Anything I want, I can have it. Honey, I need every.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariama for you all that are new. Today I'll be doing a cut crease look with a glitter pop. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm carving out her brows with a lighter shade concealer. This concealer is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna blend that down into her lid. Continue to blend. This is going to be the base for our eyeshadow, so that's why I'm trying to get it as smooth and as crease free as possible. So now I'm carving out the top of her brows with a darker shade concealer. I don't use the same color to highlight under the brow as I do on top, because you don't want to have like a halo brow look. You want it to be very natural. So now I'm adding a brick red color as her transition color to her lids, because we're going for a really natural look. I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm adding some dark brown into her crease. I'm going to use some concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut her crease. And when you're doing this, it's probably the longest part of the eye look. Just getting the cut crease to cut where you want it. So take your time with this part. So now I'm applying some white eyeshadow to the cut crease with a nice fluffy brush. This brush is by Real Techniques. Applying some dark brown, that same dark brown eyeshadow to the outside of the lid. Applying some liquid liner. I would like this eyeliner, and I believe this is also by Essence in Ulta. It's a liquid liner, but it dries really matte. And yeah, it's really nice. It's the best liquid liner I've ever used. So these lashes are the Mink 25mm lashes. We had to cut them because she kind of has a small eye space. And as you'll see in a second, they kind of touch her brow. So we ended up cutting them just a little bit so that they weren't too big. Wiping away the excess. And then I'm going to apply some primer and prep her skin for foundation. The foundation I'll be using is the Ben Nye cream foundation. It comes in a palette. Right now I am applying some concealer just to conceal some dark marks. And now I'm applying her foundation. I really like the cream foundation because 1, it doesn't really oxidize, and 2, it just goes on so smooth and it's dewy. Like, it doesn't dry flat or matte or anything. It stays how you put it on. Also like working with a foundation palette because you can use them for anything. I can use the colors for foundation, I can use the colors for a concealer and different other things. I also use the contour and highlight. Right now I'm going in with some LA Girl Pro. I mixed Chestnut with the Fawn color, and I got this color for a highlight. I'm just blending that in with a makeup sponge. Now this part is really important for your client to look up so that they won't create any creasing. And once you set it, it will be fine. Just applying it to her inner part of her face. Make sure I'm getting all the creases. I'm blending out. So now I'm going back into that foundation palette and using the darkish brown shade for her contour. I think that every makeup artist should invest in this foundation palette or just a foundation palette because it's so versatile. So with the nose contour, you want to blend it all the way up into her brow. And you can see it's not too harsh and it looks really good. So now I'm applying some Ben Nye powder, and I'll have the name and everything in the description below. It's not the banana powder. I use a darker shade. I'm not really too much a fan of the banana powder on my darker skin clients because it gives off that yellow tone, and that's not what I really like. So just gonna apply that powder to all the highlighted portions of her face. And as you can see, she's feeling herself. Now I'm gonna add just some brown to her waterline. Going back in with a little bit more powder so that we can apply our glitter and it won't stick to her makeup. So now I'm using a eyeshadow glue or an eyelash glue for the glitter. It comes with a brush, so I'm just brushing it on and then putting the glitter on. And this glitter is a custom mix glitter that I made just with a bunch of different glitters, and I think it looks really good. It's my first time doing this look, and as you see, it came out really nice. This is the after look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, tell everybody you know about this video. You can learn something, and have a great day. Bye.